Hey everybody, and welcome to another Electric Van Man review. Yes, I get all the best jobs. I'm here in Lincoln as MEV launch their new XL range. This is fantastic stuff. We've got a cargo version, a pickup version, and this is a big move forward on the previous vehicles. So they've established this market. They are well known for micromobility here in the UK, supplying councils and universities all across the country. And now there's an upgrade. So there is an upgrade in a lot of different ways. So let's go and find out all about it.